Hi guys, just another video here for you. So this is a fresh install of Windows 10. One of the things I often get asked is how to remove all the bloatware that comes with Windows 10. Now you can go through each thing on manually and click on install. However, there is a couple of scripts out there that's been developed. Um, this Windows 10 debloater is one of the recent ones that I've found and tested, and it seems to work great. You can go ahead and download it onto your machine, and then we'll get started here. Now that you have it downloaded, what you're going to want to do is extract it. I'm just going to extract all here onto the desktop and let that run through. Once it's extracted, you can double click on it. If I click on here, you'll notice that it has all the bloatware installed. Um, one I find works best is Windows 10 SysPrep debloater. Simply all you need to do is right click and run with PowerShell, and it'll just start running through um, the program straight away itself. So we'll just let this run for a second now, and this should automatically just remove all the bloatware in Windows 10. You should notice a significant speed difference, as it does take quite a lot of stuff off, and it takes off a lot of scheduled tasks. So the system's just not bloated down with unnecessary stuff. So you will notice a speed difference on this after debloating the Windows. Now it's just finishing up the last part of debloating, so it shouldn't be too long now. Essentially what it's doing is removing any of the registry keys of the old packages that was left there. So like I say, it will remove I would say a good 90% of the stuff. Some stuff you will have to manually unpin or manually uninstall yourself, but this script will remove a good 90%, if not more. And now that it's finished, we can just click on the start menu and go on, and we can see there's quite a bit removed from originally that was there. For any tiles that was just there that we don't need, we can just right click and unpin them, and you can see that they're all gone. And same again with the following. And that is how you debloat Windows 10. Until next time, thanks.